Welcome to the Visual Fractions YouTube channel. Today, we're going to explore how to convert the fraction 40/100ths to a decimal. To convert the fraction 40/100ths to a decimal, all we need to do is divide the numerator, the top number, by the denominator, the bottom number. So, we simply divide 40 by 100. The answer we get is 0.4. To do this by hand using long division, we start by writing 40 as the dividend and 100 as the divisor. Since 100 doesn't fit into 40, we add a decimal point in our answer and append a 0 to 40, making it 400. How many times does 100 go into 400? Exactly 4 times. We write 4 after the decimal point in the quotient, making it 0.4. Multiplying 4 by 100 gives us 400. When we subtract 400 from 400, we get a remainder of 0. So, there we have it. The fraction 40/100ths converted to a decimal is 0.4. This conversion process demonstrates a straightforward method to understand and represent fractions in decimal form. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to Visual Fractions. Thanks for watching.